Hello guys, welcome on a new tutorial on Spark AR. This time I want to show you how to distort the camera texture using the latest update of Spark AR, which should be V78 or something so. So, to get started, just open a new project and we're gonna go on, we'll add a rectangle. Put it to full size and add a new material. Put the material to flat and click on texture. Alright, let's go on add assets, import from AR library, patch assets, shaders. Let's import a few things. So I want the ripple, dots, and the texture distortion, and let's say an RGB color shift. That's it for now. We're gonna add the camera texture, click on camera, go on the right side and click on texture extraction. And let's grab all the patches and drag it into the patch editor. And now we're gonna see what we can do with this patch. Let's take the camera texture. So, let's say you want to distort the camera texture and in a ripple shade, this is what you need to do. That's it, basically. Let's throw a dot inside distortion texture. As you can see, it's really easy. You can mix them up to create cooler effect or just weird things. Okay, I know we cannot do this. And yeah, you have to mess with it. Let's just spice it up, adding a little bit of RGB shift shader, just like this. And this is what you get. We zoom in a little bit and we're gonna start mess with these values inside these little patches and just try different values until you're happy with it. You can also automate this value by inserting a loop animation or transition, something like that. Showing you all the different options we'll have here, but do what you like with them. Insert a loop animation and just drag in a value. I usually do this to see real fast if I like the effect, and then I put after the progress something like to range or transition. And to go a little bit more closer, a little bit more precision. Just like this, to range, minimum 4, maximum. Let's try 8, or just another value. Let's go with 2. Mess with it for a little bit. This is what I do. It's just an inspiration tutorial. It's just, you don't have to follow it. You don't have to follow what I'm doing. You can just mess with this little patch we got here until you're happy with the result. Let's try transition. We turn it to number. let's mess with this as well. Change the start value and end value. This is really fun little effect. And yeah, that's basically it. You can adjust colors that you won't see the color, but they will change the actual shape of your effect. Think of it like a blend mode. Let's go again in the AR library and import a color gradient, and actually also a three-tone color shader. Let's experiment with this patch a little bit more. As you can see, these are all patches you can find in the Spark AR library. So let's put this three-tone shader inside the texture, mess with color a little bit, and see if you like something. Mess around with colors for a little bit, try different options. You never know what you're gonna get, what you're gonna end up with. So it's always worth it to try. I don't know. From here, it's really just up to your taste. Let's go back to the RGB shift shader. Try some more things with the gradient color, but that's pretty much what I wanted to show you. So I don't know what I'm doing here because this video is not prepared or something. I just turned on the camera. As you can see, nothing is really happening right now, but still experimenting with this. Maybe something will happen. The effect is already, doing much, so I don't want to add some extra stuff where the user will be confused, which something is what I want, but not in this case, in this situation. I think this, yeah, that's basically it, guys. I'm gonna go with this because I liked it. It's really crazy. If you follow my page on Instagram, you know I basically rather crazy effect. Let's send it to my phone and let's try it out. I'm gonna post a short video for you as always, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away, I don't know, let's say at least 10 Spark AR projects you can mess around with, or I don't know, just gifts for you.